In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage the power of TikTok by setting up a business account, a pivotal step to enhance your brand's digital presence. First, we start with downloading and installing the TikTok application on your mobile device. Whether you're using an Apple or Android device, you can find the app on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, respectively. Simply search for TikTok, download the app, and let it install. This is your gateway to a world of creative opportunities and expansive audience reach. Once you have the app installed, it's time to sign up or log in. Open the app and you'll be prompted to create an account. You can do this using your email, phone number, or an existing social media account. If you already have a personal account, don't worry, you can switch to a business account later. This gives you flexibility and additional features not available to personal accounts, adding a professional touch to your brand representation. Next, you will need to access the profile settings. Look for the profile icon located at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on this and then find the three-line menu icon, often referred to as the hamburger menu, located at the top right corner. This leads you to a range of options in your settings area. From here, switching to a business account is straightforward. Under the menu, navigate to Settings and Privacy. Once there, tap on Account, followed by Switch to Business Account. This change unlocks features tailored for businesses, providing crucial insights into content performance and audience engagement. Selecting your business category comes next. TikTok offers various categories such as retail, services, or technology, among others. Choose the one that best mirrors your business focus, as this helps TikTok tailor the user experience to align with your niche market. Having set up the business framework, your profile requires refinement, ensuring maximized credibility. Make sure to add a business email, phone number, and any other relevant details. A well-completed profile boosts user trust and enhances engagement metrics from your audience. After ensuring your profile is complete, registering your business on TikTok, while optional, is highly recommended. This not only adds a layer of authenticity, but also unlocks additional features. You start by agreeing to TikTok's terms and conditions. Create an advertiser account with detailed business information such as country, industry, and legal business name. Set your time zone, phone number, and preferred currency. Complete the setup by providing billing and payment details. Choose a payment method aligned with your regional options, and then access the Ads Manager. The Ads Manager is your command center for creating and managing advertisements, catered to draw attention and drive engagement from your target audience. Be sure to dive into TikTok's official guide for any additional details specific to your needs. Whether you're just beginning or looking to optimize your existing presence, following these steps strategically positions your business on TikTok's dynamic platform.